Ever wonder what makes certain channels just click with you? It's not magic. It's a meticulously crafted vision. Today, we pull back the philosophy that drives every video you see here at Anarchy Health. This channel isn't about algorithms or trends. It's about why we exist. Our North Star is sovereignty over your body, your biology, and your decisions. All contact flows from one truth. Most health advice trains dependent. We train authority. So everything you'll see here is designed to help you decode biology, understand signal over noise, build frameworks, not blind compliance. You've probably heard, do this diet, take this pill, use this protocol. But if you don't understand the principle behind it, it's just guesswork. Here we break down what inflammation is, why pain happens, how the nervous system talks, how environment influences biology. Frameworks give you decision engine, not instructions. Health is multifaceted. You are not only a body. We explore 9 dimensions of health and wellness: physical, emotional, environmental, financial, career, creative, intellectual, social, and spiritual. These aren't silos, they are interacting systems. Your symptoms are responses, not mysteries. You don't need one expert. You need a team of perspectives. Doctors, yes, but also nutrition, strategists, regulation coaches, environmental analysis, movement and pain experts, boundary and stress specialists, creative and meaning workers. Health is multi-causal. Your support should be too. Anarchy Health is a community, but not a support group. It's a thinking ground. We share challenges, frameworks, reflections, questions worth asking, patterns worth noticing. We don't soothe, we expand capacity. We invite you to visit our website at www.anarchy.health. There you can find out more about our mission, vision, and hopes for the future, hopes for the health of humanity. So what do you do next? If you're new, feel free to subscribe and like the video. More to follow, I promise. Also, in the description below, I offer multiple free guides to help you navigate your health, whether it's health shopping, budget and seasonal shopping, or if it's understanding potential plant toxins that might be stalling or contributing to your health concerns. Also, maybe you just simply want to make a promise to yourself. Promise to do better for your own health. No one will advocate for your health like you will. I promise. It doesn't matter how many appointments you have, how nice your providers are. No one will fight for your health like you. So make yourself a promise today. Promise to take a breath, take charge, and do a little bit better today for a better tomorrow. Action is the currency of change. Comment below if you feel seen and spoken to. I'm listening.